The rain has finally stopped and we need to start planting. But unfortunately, we've got these guys roaming all over the place, which they absolutely love, but they get into everything.
Look, we found these. Ta-da-da! I'm gonna grab them.
I can't even record this because the chickens are driving me so crazy. I want to kill them all.
So, we are going to turn this back strip into a chicken run. And I'm gonna open up that little door right there and close off that one. And we'll let these guys get access to the outside, and we'll actually get them cooped up so that they're not destroying all our vegetables and flowers and all that kind of stuff. Okay, let's take down this fence here and get started.
It's chicken coop day. Well,
Let's
start chicken coop day.
Chicken coop month.
Chicken coop month. Okay, so our plan is, oh, you open this up. Very nice.
Yeah.
Can we get rid of these Christmas lights?
This is the whole reason we bought the house in the first place. I think I'm going to take these panels off because they're expensive, and we'll just get chicken wire, and we're going to go...
We can use those in the garden?
Yeah, we're going to go all the way up with the wire.
No, that'll be good because possums, raccoons, they can all get through that.
Right. This side will get closed up, or maybe this side will be open and that side will be closed up.
I don't know why, but I like the idea of that side being open more than that side, and I don't know why, but...
Those are just taller. And there's
oh, it's taller and it's wider. It looks like.
So we'll open up this side, close off that side.
Okay.
And we'll have a little door.
And this is where you're gonna put eggs, right?
Yeah. So the entrance to their nesting box will be here, but it's gonna lean out into this side of the barn, and it's gonna have a liftable roof, so the kids can walk in here, not get chicken poop all over themselves.
Right. No, that's
open
perfect.
up the lid, grab the eggs, put the lid down. And then I'm gonna basically make a little railing so they have to hop up in there.
No, that's great. I like that.
And then I'm gonna have a little slot for that black thing where the water sticks out, but part of it only sticks out about this far. So the chicken, I might even put a little roof on it so the chickens can't get up there and poop in the water. Hey, I saw that earlier.
It's a maple tree.
I know, isn't that pretty cool? So when I was knocking down the fence, I looked and I was like, oh, hey, check it out. So I figured you'd be excited about that. And I think it's cool because I think it would be cool to go...
Oh,
I would love some color along the back fence.
I think we could plant it in somewhere. Even if we don't plant it in this pine row here, like maybe even at that opening or that opening. But yeah, let's dig this up. I mean, that's a maple tree. I would definitely want that. So I looked it up and it looks like it is a silverleaf maple, which is cool because I think they're fast growing trees. I'm excited. I think that'll look really good. I think it's a good spot. These are gonna look beautiful in my garden. The brick not so much, but also.
Alright, come here, babe. It's my idea. To make it easier, because this is going to be our roof, instead of having it coil up on us, let's open it up, spread it out, and we'll let it
This is
relax
just
for-
the roof.
Yeah,
Oh. What is the size?
the other one.
Oh, there's two. Okay.
Yeah. So we'll let it rest for a day or two. And then I'll cut it into 32-foot sections.
Okay.
And then we'll just be able to drag it up there. And hopefully it'll just be easier to tap into place.
Do you want help with that?
Yeah, for sure, because I'm just going to need you to stand on one end. So here's the game plan for the chicken coop. It is gonna come off the back of that. It's gonna come over 12 feet and it's gonna come back this way about 32 feet. I got this jobber last year, but I haven't fired it up in over a year, so hopefully I can get her going and we don't run into many sticks and whatnot. Be very beneficial over post hole digging all these holes. So let's see what we can do here. So when I was digging out this hole, I found metal shards and I'm like, oh, that's weird. I wonder if I fell off a car. But no, those metal shards did not fall off of a car. But the past way too long, I've been digging this out and I can't tell if it's a rock or like an old flagstone, because there was a barn here once upon a time. And I'm wondering if this was some sort of foundation for it. I don't know. I mean, it could just be a natural rock, but old school barn foundation, that definitely could have been that as well. Back from Connecticut, where I helped my mom redo her half bath downstairs. Back out here, and it's been, I don't know, at least a week or two since we were working on the chicken coop. And it is definitely time, because these chickens are a menace. If I didn't show it, I got this portion of the barn cleaned out last time. This is where their new coop is going to be. So Today I'm gonna see if I can get all these posts installed. Pretty sure I miscounted, so I'm gonna have to go get some more. And the rain has filled in some of these holes, so that's gonna be fun. But we're gonna work on this and see where we're at. All right, you come grab the front.
Won't that mean I'm going backwards though?
No. Turn and grab it with just one hand down low. Turn it face that way. And then put your arm turn that way. Leave your arm straight. If you try to curl your arm will get tired. If you pick it up with your hand, all the weight's kind of on your shoulder. Does that make sense? Slide. Okay, I'm gonna do 5 boxes. They'll probably just use one anyway, like they always do, because they're idiots. So let's make it 80 inches, and we'll make each of the boxes around 16. And that should be plenty of room for them. So this is our base. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a little the saw, and we're going to cut up little like dividers.
Chickens are welcome. You better lay a bunch of eggs.